In organic Google search, when you ask for inspired taste key lime pie, the results share a link to our recipe. On the other hand, use one of their AI products and you'll often get a very different result. Instead of a link to the original source, these AI products boldly use our brand name and photos with an AI generated Frankenstein recipe.
Here's the actual inspired taste key lime pie recipe on our site. And this is what AI mode is claiming it to be.
The ingredients are different, the cook time is different, and frankly, other than being a pie, it really isn't similar to our recipe at all. To highlight how harmful the situation is, we decided to make both our original recipe and the recipe AI mode claims is ours. Our filling has 5 egg yolks, lime zest, lime juice, sugar, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and cream. The cream is what makes our recipe special. The AI mode version calls for 2 cans of condensed milk, that's 1 more than ours, less lime juice, and 5 egg yolks. It does not include cream, lime zest, or sugar. And that's just one Frankenstein inspired taste key lime pie recipe example. There are countless others that can even change the next time you look.
For example, Glenn Gabe, when doing a really useful deep dive into personal intelligence, was presented with a branded version of our key lime pie, and his version was completely different to the AI mode version we shared earlier.
This behavior is also present across all AI platforms, including ChatGPT. This trend of AI tools being so comfortable presenting a full recipe in a zero-click environment as default isn't sustainable. It's extremely misleading, competes against us, and it's hurting our brand.
Instead, these powerful AI interfaces could be designed to surface trusted human sources with links.
And because we know you're going to ask, yes, we definitely preferred ours.